Welcome to the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Monday evening, November 3rd, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of industry and manufacturing news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Xpansiv acquires Evident to boost global renewable energy transparency and market integration. Xpansiv Limited has acquired Evident Group Limited, uniting their renewable energy registries to create a global clean energy registry leader with over 300 gigawatts of capacity. This acquisition advances Xpansiv's strategy to expand its position in global renewable energy markets. The agreement combines Evident's international renewable energy registries with Xpansiv's North American Renewables Registry and Tradable Instrument for Global Renewables Registry. This creates a global REC network with more than 4,000 participating companies. Evident will continue to operate as an independent market facilitator under the oversight of the iTrack Foundation to ensure transparency and market integrity. The acquisition comes as global demand for renewable energy and RECs is growing sharply, with the IEA projecting global renewable electricity capacity to double by 2030. For more information, visit Xpansiv's website.
PEDEVCO announces closing of transformative merger to become premier Rockies operator. PEDEVCO Corp announced a merger with Juniper Capital Advisors LP, acquiring oil-weighted assets in the northern DJ and Powder River Basin. In exchange for 10,650,000 shares of preferred stock, Juniper now owns approximately 53% of the combined entity. With a total debt of $87 million and $10 million in cash, PEDEVCO aims to focus on Rockies-centered growth. The company anticipates organic growth through upcoming well completions and strategic acquisitions. The transaction also brought new board members and management team, including a chief operating officer and chief financial officer. PEDEVCO raised $35 million through a private placement to fund the merger, positioning the company for future expansion. Mining news breaks: McEwen Inc., NYX, MUX, acquires 31% stake in Paragon Geochemical to advance photon assay TM adoption. McEwen Inc., listed on the NYSE and TSX under the ticker MUX, has acquired a 31% stake in Paragon Geochemical Laboratories Inc. The company is known for its innovative use of photon assay TM, a technology that offers rapid and accurate metal assaying without destruction. McEwen plans to utilize this technology in its exploration programs at various mining sites. The transaction, valued at $0.3 million, involves the purchase of shares from Britannia Life Sciences Inc. McEwen aims to provide exposure to gold, copper, and silver through its mines in the Americas, with a commitment to carbon neutrality by 2038. For more information, visit the company's newsroom online. Exelon wants to build a power plant in Maryland, reversing decades of deregulation policy. Exelon Corp plans to push for legislative approval to build and operate a power plant in Maryland next year, reversing a 26-year-old utility deregulation policy. Critics express concerns about potential cost recovery from ratepayers, while Exelon emphasizes the need for regulatory approval to recoup costs. Valencia McClure, a senior vice president at Exelon, highlights the benefits of increasing electricity supply to control costs and ensure regulatory oversight on generation expenses.
Investor news breaks: LaFleur Minerals Inc., LFLR-RF3WK0, featured in Network News Audio, pivoting from exploration to production, mining's moment. LaFleur Minerals Inc., listed on the CSE as LFLR, on the OTCQB as LFLRF, and on the FS3WK0, is the focus of a new Network News Audio press release titled Pivoting from Exploration to Production, Mining's Moment. LaFleur's ownership of a gold mill and a mineral project in Canada's gold-producing region sets it apart from peers. The company's move towards production-focused mining offers investors both short-term growth and operational stability. LaFleur's Swanson Gold Project and Beacon Gold Mill hold significant potential for long-term value. The company's fully permitted mill can process over 750 tons per day, positioning it for custom milling operations and material processing from the Swanson project. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.